Hi guys, my name is Rachel. This is my chapter for the musculoskeletal system, orthopedics. The first word I chose was a myoplasty. This is muscle reconstruction. Next we have lordosis. This is a sway back or an abnormal forward curvature of the lower spine, as you can see here. Next we have a prosthesis. This is a device that is added to a body to replace a missing part or lost function. Next, we have an arthrectomy, and this is a surgical removal of a joint. We next have an antiarthritic. This is a drug that opposes joint inflammation. Next, we have a myosarcoma, and this is a cancerous muscle tumor. Next, we have a subluxation, and this is a partial dislocation of a joint. Next, we have an arthrodysplasia, and this is an abnormal joint development. Next, we have a dactylitis. This is a finger inflammation. And last, we have an osteomalacia. This is the softening of the bone.